Christiana. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited it's December. This is my favorite time of the year. We already have our Christmas decorations up. We've baked cookies one day and we're just waiting to put up our Christmas lights. So I know a lot of us like to go out and do some fun, festive activities to help us get into the holiday spirit. But everything seems to cost money, whether it's photos with Santa Claus, going to a botanical garden to look at their lights, the Polar Express train ride, which sounds like so much fun. We have yet to do that. There are just so many things that cost money, and I want to help you save money around this time of year. So here are the tips. Driving around and looking at your neighbors' decorated houses, going to other neighborhoods, just driving around and looking at the lights. You can always bring hot chocolate, maybe your favorite little treats, have Christmas music playing on in the car, put the windows down, have the heat turned up, and it's just such a fun time with family, and it's absolutely free, except for the gas that you have to spend to drive around. But that's pretty cheap. You can go to a Christmas play at a church. There are tons of churches that put on Christmas plays, a lot of times with live nativity scenes, carolers, stuff like that. You can find a local church, or maybe your own church does that. You can go there and that'll definitely help get you into the holiday spirit. I love this one. You can build a blanket fort in your living room and have a Christmas movie marathon. Again, have some of your favorite treats, maybe some hot cocoa, make a blanket fort. If you have Christmas lights, you can like string those along and set up pillows and blankets on the floor and just have a really fun family Christmas movie marathon night. And if you have little kids, they are going to love that idea. They may not help set it up or take it down, and they may tear it down in the process, but it's still fun and it's something that you guys won't forget. You can bake a new Christmas dessert. Go on Pinterest, there are tons of Christmas desserts. Even if you wanted to try something that was a little bit more healthy, you can look up healthy Christmas desserts and try some new recipes. You just have to pay for the few ingredients you need, and there you go. Or you can look around your kitchen and see what ingredients you have at the house and make something with those ingredients so you don't have to go out and buy anything else. Volunteering. There are so many different ways you can volunteer, especially around the holidays. From soup kitchens, Toys for Tots, there are tons of things you can do. It really helps whenever you take your mind off yourself and maybe trying to make Christmas perfect for everyone. If you're stressing about hosting and all the chaos that goes along with Christmas sometimes, you take a moment, not think about that, and just to serve others. It's not only good for you and your heart, it really gives you a different outlook on Christmas, and it's really great for your kids to learn to give and to have a servant's heart and not be so focused on themselves. So yes, volunteering is a great way to get you in the holiday spirit. You can find a caroling service near you, sign up, and sing your little heart out. Sometimes they actually wear Victorian clothes, which is really cool. But there are also different caroling services that you can just wear your normal clothes and a Santa hat and sing Christmas carols. Have an ugly sweater Christmas party and ask everybody who joins to bring their own dish. That way it keeps the cost down on the food you'd have to purchase. The decorations are probably already up and everyone can come over, have a Christmas movie playing on in the background, play tons of games. You don't have to do a gift exchange. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just get people together that love to have fun and hang out and make it Christmas themed. You probably already have your Christmas decorations up, but if not, there's no better way to get in the Christmas spirit than to put up your decorations. So blast that Christmas music, and if you're doing it by yourself, call some friends to come over. Friends, family, anybody that you enjoy being around to help you. This is especially fun if you have small children. You can bundle up, go out to your backyard or woods if you have those. If not, go to a local park and search for pine cones to take home, unless your park says not to take any nature with you. But a lot of them don't care. You're just cleaning up the ground for them. You could take this home to do Christmas crafts with. Check your Facebook calendar. There are a lot of great events going on around Christmas, and surprisingly, there are some free ones that are also pretty awesome. So I would definitely suggest to take a look there and see if there's anything happening around your area. Whether you're a believer or not, this is a great thing to do together as a family. You can all write letters to Santa to leave out on Christmas Eve night for him. It's awesome too if adults, teenagers, kids these days, put your phones away don't touch your phones unless maybe they're playing music, like Christmas music in the background, and just sit together as a family, talk about what you're asking Santa for, what you're writing him, just have it be a really special bonding moment between all of you. Not having your phones in the mix or getting distracted by that is going to change the entire atmosphere and the entire activity, I promise you. You can have a marshmallow gun fight, whether that's with actual marshmallow guns, or if you want to make your own for really cheap, you can buy PVC pipe and build your own guns. There are tons of tutorials on Pinterest, YouTube, or if you just want to get a long pipe and use it as a dart gun, that works too. Also find somewhere that you don't mind having wet marshmallows around on the ground for a few days afterwards. You can have a family photo shoot. Everybody dress up and you can go anywhere. You can go in your backyard, you can do it in your house. You have to get creative sometimes when you don't have somebody else to take your picture, and that can be fun. It can be stressful, but you can also think about it as a fun challenge and go about it that way. You can go to Christmas tree farms just to walk around, especially if you love the smell of Christmas tree and it just makes you feel so Christmassy and warm and cozy inside like it is for me. You can just walk around, look at the trees, and also take your family photos there. You can have a cookie decorating party. Invite a bunch of friends to bring their favorite cookie recipe, or maybe if you don't want your house to be a complete wreck, you can have them bring their cookies already baked and just bring the supplies to decorate them. And everybody can decorate cookies, put your favorite Christmas movie on in the background, have a little section for the kids with like tarps and wipes and lots of stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. You can take a walk at your local park and look for animal/reindeer tracks. If you want it to be a fun activity for the kids, you guys just pay attention to the ground and look for different animal tracks while also looking for reindeer tracks. Again, this is a great activity to do when your phone is hidden away in your pocket, not distracting you from what's going on. Just be there in the moment, in nature, with your kids, with your family, and look for reindeer tracks and watch how excited the kids get when they think they've found some. See if your discount theater is playing Christmas movies and all go as a family. If you have a fireplace in your home and you have clean wood and materials to burn, then you can roast marshmallows in the comfort of your own home. If you like to sing, play an instrument of any kind, especially if your family does as well, that's a great time to gather around one room as a family, try to write a Christmas song or learn one together. Or if you already know one, just take that time to sing and play, be creative, and make memories. I don't know if you can hear, but my kids are freaking out in the other room. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Those are all the tips. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas. If you try any of these things out, go ahead and let me know. Or if you have any tips, also leave those down below so we can all get ideas of things to do around the holiday time, around Christmas time, around this holiday season that doesn't kill and destroy our poor wallet. It's been through so much. Our poor credit cards. Let's give them a little break. Let's do some things for free or really cheap and just enjoy the little moments together. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. If you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, go ahead and click the bell notification. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will have that linked below. And that's all I have to say. Have an amazing day, have a blessed day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye.